One interesting cultural aspect of English Filipino speaker or called Taglish in Philippines is a blending of languages that reflects the Philippines' rich history and diverse influences. This hybrid language often incorporates English vocabulary with Filipino grammar and syntax, creating a unique mood of expression that resonates with Filipino identity. For learners, this can be both fascinating and challenging. The fluidity of switching between languages can make it difficult to grasp the nuances of each language. Additionally, the use of slang and idiomatic expression in Taglish can be perplexing for non-native speakers, as these phrases often carry cultural connotation that may not be immediately apparent. Understanding the context in which these expressions are used is essential for effective communication, highlighting the importance of cultural immersion in the language learning process. That's it.